Hello everyone, and thanks for watching this exclusive FlippedNormals tutorial course. My name is Emil Stigers, I'm a senior 3D artist, and in this course we will go over on how to create both a procedural material and how to create a material using 3D modeling and Substance Painter. Now we will start this tutorial course off with a little chat about the type of ways that you can create a material and the best use cases of them. After that we will dive right into it and start by creating our first material, which we will create procedurally inside of Substance Designer. In this material we will cover everything from creating the material, along with keeping your graph clean, keeping your material highly flexible, paying attention to detail, and rendering the final material inside of Marmoset Toolbag 4. Once that is done, we will go over on how to create our second material. We will model this material inside of Blender 3D, after which we will once again use Marmoset Toolbag, but this time we will use it to bake our material. And then we will create a final texture using Substance Painter and a tiny bit of Photoshop just to create some alphas. Finally, we will of course render this material also inside of Marmoset Toolbag 4. Now, after all this, we even have a little bonus video at the end of this tutorial course, where we will showcase the two materials that we have just created into two scenes that I created to go along with it. And I will show you the power of vertex painting and the power of using flexible procedural materials. The creation and the source files of those two scenes are not included in this tutorial course, since the focus of this course is fully on creating the actual materials and not on doing any scene creation or anything like that. Now, this tutorial course is mostly focused at intermediate artists who already have a basic understanding of the programs used in this course, but this course does include both a visual keyboard registration along with a detailed explanation of all the buttons that I will be pressing and all the tools that we will be using. So I hope you are as excited for this course as I am, and I hope to see you soon.